Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a fish shape a logo design. So this is very simple design. If you try for the few minutes, then you can learn something from here. So no matter tag today, just start from the beginning. So let's start today. So I need to select all the things and little bit smaller and keep to the corner side as you can see. So what we need to do, I need a vegetable. I needed to go to this dashboard and select the ellipse tool. So this is a fantastic tool. If you the design library, you can see how is effective. So I must just start from here. You see it's indicating the center. So I'm here just to like that. I think that's fine. And go over here. And I needed to none this fill color. And I need a little bit be like that. Thing a little bit bigger. So now just I needed to copy. Go to the over here and copy. Again go over here. Copy in front of. So right just like that. Little bit, and you know how to needed this one letter. So I need to again go to the dashboard and select here, press here, and it just select polygon tool and click over here. See, select, and it's this triangle. I need now just to like that, put over here, and it just to select all the things and go over here. This shape builder tool and like that, label all the things. So again, I need to go to the here just to set up there. I think it's okay. So there's a little bit down and go over here just to bend segment tool, and I think like that will be better. So okay, that's fine. And I need to go select all the things and just to I think smaller little bit 0. Okay, so that's fine. And select, not a select, just go to the here this book and add anchor point, and it just click here over here and go again this anchor point tool and just to like that. I think that's fine, and like that, not like that, it's too much. I think that's fine, and just to here expand all the things like that. And again I need to go, so this is the, again I need to here just select all the things and go over here, shape builder tool, click and delete all the unnecessary things. So I need like that, and you see like that. It's done. This is magic. So I need it again. Over here, go through the here. Just change the color. Here, change the color. Change the color. And I need one. I think this. I think that one. Yes, the color combination. Okay. See, this is what I mean. It's like this one and that one. Not the difference. Oh, I have mistaken one things over here. I need it again like that. And okay. Go over here. Need the color change. See, fantastic. So I needed this is better than that one. Delete all the things and keep this one. You see, this is fantastic design. Just fish shape and logo design. You can promote to your restaurant or related all the things. So thanks for watching.